Mark has chicken in it. Morning guys, it is our last full day in Kyoto and we decided to wake up really early to go to Gion and the iconic streets and stuff like that. So we woke up at 6 a.m, we went, and now we found a cafe that's open at 7 a.m, thank god, because everything's usually open at 11 and we were freezing. So I'll show you what we're getting for breakfast. So first of all, this boiling cup of, what was it? What tea did I get? Milk tea that I got. And Mark's boiling hot coffee. And it's so fun because he has a little, look at that, that's so cute. Oh. Got a croque monsieur. And Mark got a morning curry to warm himself up. But this is it. Are we happy?
Very.
Hehe.
Thank you for coming. This will take about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not good at speaking English. Okay. So I use this slide.
Perfect.
And first, you can choose favorite scent. There are two types of the scent. Number and name. Please choose maximum 3
Okay.
scent. More than 4 scents are possible for 500 yen.
Extra. Okay.
Number and name. Please. Okay. And now start choosing. You can try on this paper. And please write your favorite fragrance, number 1, name, and the coffee beans clean the box. You can choose in this table, that table. So in the middle, name the fragrance.
Oh, okay, so
yeah, so 500 yen each.
I see. Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Yours EDP. Last longer. Okay, start. First number 12.
Yeah.
100ミリサイズでありがとうございます。ですね、キャップのカラーをお選びいただけまして、ゴールドとシルバーでどちらがいいですか？はい。ごめんなさい。
どうですか？ Good.
Yes, amazing. Thank you.
How's it?
I like it, yeah.
Good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yay.
I'm so scared.
Do you like it? Really? Yay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, so we're leaving Kyoto. We have our small luggages with us because we sent the big ones ahead of time. And I think it's just a single subway train.
We're gonna stay on the same one.
Yep, from Kyoto to Osaka, so that's very convenient. We didn't need to book any tickets in advance, so it's like the regular subway only. And yeah, so we're sad. 6 days in Kyoto went by so fast.
Very fast.
And
very fast.
we'll only have 4 days in Osaka.
Gonna try and make the most of it.
Okay. Well, we'll try to show you snippets of our little last train/subway trip from Kyoto to Osaka. But excited to see what Osaka has to offer.
Gonna do it.
Okay. Cheers. Okay, Marcus, come in. Guys, I got too hungry and started eating, but this, so good. Mark has chicken in his. I think I got the brisket plus the, what you call this, Mark?
Just have a burger, pretty much.
It's like a burger-ish, but it's delicious.
It's
So,
amazing.
first meal in Osaka.
So good.
Till in Osaka. Oh, they put all of our luggage. That's nice. And oh, I kind of like this very much.
Yeah, wow.
The bed is really nice. I show you guys the washroom, but our luggages are kind of in front of it. Let me try this. Ooh, this is nice. Love it. Hi. Okay, this is really nice. I think it's my favorite hotel so far.
I think so too as well.
Like,
Wow.
very nice.
Very nice.
Are we happy?
We were happy. We were tired.